Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing some work, building my jumps and raking, so I'll see you there. Alright guys, so I've arrived and this is the jump I've been working on. It's about as tall as to my knee and I'm 5 foot. But like, I'm not really good at building jumps, but I'm pretty happy with it. I know the logs look pretty ugly, but I'll just give you a tour. So I've raked all the way up to the entry, and then I've done about 1 meter or 2 wide, all the way down here. And there's a big jump there, 1.5 meter gap jump. 2 meter gap jump. So I've raked all this. I've raked a line to that one, which I haven't hit yet. I've hit that one down there, which is the same size as that one, but it just doesn't have a landing. And I hit this one here. So that's just a small one, about the same size as the other one. Then we have a berm right down there, I'll be raking. And then, yeah, it gives you a run onto that one. And then further down there, there's the one on the side. And there's the one in the middle that you can see right there. So that's basically what I've done. I did not build that one, or this one, or that one. But I built the two down there, and that one. We have a big berm right here. But I haven't been down here for a while, and a tree falling on it, so we've got to cut up that tree eventually, and I'm going to rake around there in another video. So here are the tools I've been using. So a flat shovel and one with the curve for I like to use that one for digging and that one for shaping. I've got a saw. I've been trying to cut those logs off, but it's been hard. I've got that to loosen up the dirt, and I had a mini shovel, but I'm going to take that back home. So I actually found that it helps me more to rake with my shovel, because I've got all these little pine needles, and they go straight through the slots of the rake, whatever you want to say. So I'm just going to widen this path up along here, and there's actually a berm there that comes down, and you can go up, so I'm going to be raking that in the time lapse. And I'll see you off. Alright guys, so that was actually probably 10 minutes in real time, but I've got most of it done. I only did a bit, not far up, but I'm just going to do up to the entry now and set the phone up somewhere different, and then we'll start doing up around that climb berm I was talking about. Right, so this is what I've just done. So it's about 2 meters wide, up a few meters, probably up 15 meters I'd say. And I'm just going to do this wide all the way up to the entrance. So we've got a nice clean run all the way down there, which will be really cool. So I'll set you on another time lapse, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, I'm not even close to being done yet. I still got about a good 15 meters to go up there. There's actually something there. I'm going to make a little jump out of that for the entry. But oh my gosh, this is looking so sick. I actually can't believe it. I didn't think it could look this good. Now it's actually making me really want to get onto that. So as you can see, I'm done. there's only out there to do, but I'm not going to do that, because if people see it's all raked out, they're probably going to come in here and like look at this stuff. Like, you don't want that happening, so I've only done it down to here, so I know where to come in. And then, yeah, you come down here. Might just grab this because I'm done now. Then I've done to there. Just got that corner for that berm. I'll do that in episode 2. All the way down here. Also down there, like behind this jump, all the way down to there. I actually did that yesterday. That was before I wanted to make the path really wide. That's pretty skinny. This is very wide. Yeah, so I've done what I want to do for this part in episode 2. So next few days, next week, whatever, up there and around there, I'm going to be making the whole trail around there. That's going to be my goal. That's my next goal for the whole thing. So I'll see you in episode 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. See ya.